Good Tuesday! What are we making today? We're making a Star-Kist Tuna Macaroni Bake. And if you look at the picture, I believe this is from 1955. It does not look like they're using elbow macaroni. It looks like they're using ziti. We're gonna use ziti. Eggs, onion, mustard powder, salt, all of the ingredients will be in the description. The recipe calls for American cheese. This is sliced off the actual block. They weren't open at Walmart for me to get an actual block of cheese, but these were prepackaged. Have you ever had Munster cheese with tuna salad? Let me tell you something. Just trust me. Take a slice of Munster cheese, put a little tuna salad on it, roll it up, take a bite. There's something about Munster cheese and tuna that goes together. It's unlike any other cheese. So I'm going to do half and half. We're breaking the recipe already. In the picture, they're using a Pyrex 231, I'm pretty sure. It's 6 by 10. We're going to use this 8 by 8 vintage Pyrex dish. You mix it all up, put it in a greased dish, and bake it in the oven. It says for almost an hour. That seems awfully long to me. We're going to have to play it by ear. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. In the ingredients, it says number, N-O period, 1/2 can. What does that mean? I have 2 cans. I'm not sure how much we're going to use. We're changing this to Experiment Tuesday. I'm doubling the ingredients because when I put the pasta in here, it almost took twice as much pasta as they call for. I know, without all the ingredients, but and I figure any leftovers I will pile into a gravet bowl and bake later. But I wanted to make sure that this 8 by 8 was full, so I've doubled the ingredients. The original recipe is below if you want to follow that. Instead of 4 eggs, I'm going to use 3 because these are large, probably larger than what they used in 1955. Let's put this together. Eggs well beaten. Somebody recommended this to me. You know who you are if you're watching the video. It's a kitchenmajig. They were made prior down 1945 and after 1945. This is by Echo. If you find one that says A and J on the bottom, it was made before 1945. They have short handle and long handle. Supposedly, I can beat eggs with this. Let's try. Could be a big mistake. Hey, it works. It's a kitchenmajig. That's kind of fun. Kitchenmajig. I have to put cheese on there. we are going to top it with some cheese. Come on. There you go. I'm using up almost an entire 8 ounces of Munster. That's it. We're good. Now it says to bake it for almost an hour, but we're gonna have to keep our eye on it. 375 degrees. The recipe said top with ketchup or chili sauce. I'm gonna have to try ketchup. Ta-da! That's pretty much like the picture. Let's try a piece without the ketchup. Here we go. I'm really glad I put cheese on top. I think that was a good decision. Let's try a piece. Let's see if it needs salt, or can I taste the tuna? It doesn't need salt. When I doubled the recipe, I didn't double the salt. Let's try another bite. It's creamy. I can definitely taste the tuna. 2 cans of tuna is fine. It's not rock solid, it's tender. Let's try it with ketchup. Let's try it with some ketchup. Oh, I'm torn. I think I like it. I think I like the ketchup. I liked it fine without the ketchup. I'm really happy. I'm happy with the Munster. I gotta try another piece without the ketchup. I might like it better without the ketchup. That's good though. There's no way this could have lasted an hour in the oven. You know what I'm gonna say? Thanks for watching!